Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down and gently close your eyes. Let your body relax and your breath soften. This meditation will guide you into a space of peace, trust, and alignment with the divine justice that always works in your favor. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any tension in your body. Feel the weight of your body resting on the ground, knowing that you are fully supported. With each breath, imagine roots growing from the base of your spine and soles of your feet, connecting deeply with the earth. Feel the energy of the earth rising up through those roots, stabilizing and grounding you in the present moment. Now, visualize a brilliant white light above your head. This is the light of the universe, the infinite source of love, justice, and balance. As you inhale, imagine this light gently flowing down through the crown of your head, filling your body with its warmth and protection. With each breath, allow this divine light to flow deeper into your being, clearing any doubts, fears, or negativity. As this light fills you, bring to mind any situations where you have felt disrespected, wronged, or betrayed. See these situations as dark clouds floating outside of your body. With each exhale, gently blow these clouds away, releasing them from your energy field. Allow the divine light to take these burdens from you, knowing that the universe is already working to balance the scales. Now focus on the energy within you, your personal divine force. Say to yourself, either out loud or in your mind, I am shielded by love. The divine force within me is stronger than any shadow. No harm can diminish my worth, and I am protected by the universe's justice. Feel this truth resonate deep within you as the divine light creates a protective shield around you. Take a few moments to reflect on the power of karma, the universal law of balance. Affirm to yourself, every act of disrespect is met with divine consequence. The universe always restores balance. I trust the universe to work in my favor, ensuring justice for all wrongs done to me. Feel the strength of these words as they echo through your heart and mind. Know that the universe is already setting things in motion to address any injustice you have experienced. Now shift your focus back to your own energy. Visualize a glowing ball of light in the center of your chest, your inner power, your divine essence. With each breath, see this light growing brighter and stronger, expanding beyond your body. Affirm to yourself, I reclaim my power. I stand in my truth, unshaken by the actions of others. My energy is divine, and I rise above any negativity. Take a moment to send out gratitude to the universe for its protection, love, and justice. Visualize the divine light expanding outward from your body, radiating love, peace, and healing to the world. We say to ourselves, I send love into the world, knowing that what I give, I will receive 100-fold. Begin to bring your awareness back to your body, feeling the ground beneath you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. When you feel ready, open your eyes, carrying with you the peace, strength, and trust that the universe is always working in your favor. Repeat these affirmations, allowing them to resonate deeply within you. I am divinely protected, and the universe restores balance in my favor. I trust in the power of love, and I release all negativity from my life. I walk in light, unshaken and empowered. We take this feeling of peace and empowerment with us throughout our day. Know that every step we take is guided by the divine forces of the universe, and trust that the balance of justice is always working in our favor. So be it, and so it is.